Hi, and welcome to AWS Julie. Over the past few videos, I've talked about different project ideas that I have used and built to prepare for AWS certifications. Today, I want to dive deeper into how you can effectively prepare for your AWS certification exams, offering you some practical tips and tricks from my own experience. Remember, the ultimate goal is not just to pass the exam, but to truly understand AWS and learn how to be a better engineer, DPA, admin, and more. I always talk about how we learn differently, but we are also coming into the certification preparation from different backgrounds and experiences, and we have different goals. So, understanding exactly where to start, what topics to cover, and how to build upon each concept will make your study process much smoother. I always recommend beginning with the fundamentals and the fundamentals of cloud computing, and then progressively diving into each AWS service with a clear roadmap. You can also review the job requirements from open roles that you are interested in. Each AWS certification has different fundamentals that are needed, and if you're a senior engineer, you might need a refresher. If you are a newbie, then fundamentals are key. Next, a hands-on approach is invaluable. While theory is important, applying what you've learned in a real-world context will reinforce your understanding and build your confidence. I love using personal projects to better understand the requirements of the role and AWS services. I added cards if you want to review past project ideas that I've used. And choosing a training course or platform that works for your style of learning is important. I've talked before about how a lot of people do not relate to my teaching and my training courses. We are all different, and one thing to consider is the background of your instructor teaching your training. A lot of courses out there and YouTube courses skip the fundamentals, but they have to be included or at least mentioned. And then you can decide based on your own background what parts of the training course are needed for you. My AWS training content is on AWS Skill Builder, and my team, the AWS Exam Prep team, and our resources are designed by AWS experts who understand AWS, the exam format, and the types of questions that are likely to be asked on the certification exam. Our exam prep training content is designed to help you assess your readiness after your preparation. Our content does not teach to the exam, but we dive deep into the exam guide to help you ensure you have the needed fundamentals, knowledge of, and skills in before you sit and take your exam. Joining a community is another critical piece of the puzzle. Whether it's online forums, study groups, or local meetups, being part of a community keeps you motivated and provides support when you encounter challenging topics. Being part of a community has always helped me, especially when I was new. And my favorite thing is that you will see others ask questions you did not know you needed to ask. Engaging with peers can give you a new perspective and help clarify any doubts. And practice tests should be part of your preparation strategy to understand the format of the actual exam, the types of questions, the actual depth the exam questions cover, and help you manage your time effectively during the test. So what else do you want or need for your AWS certification preparations? Let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more AWS training exam prep. Remember, the ultimate goal is not just to pass the exam, but to truly understand AWS and continually grow and learn all the things.